Hey guys, this is Tiffany Sierra and welcome to my channel. Now, I know I look really crazy right now with this bonnet on my head, but today we're going to be doing a get ready with me video, so you guys are going to really see me transform into something better than I look right now. So let's get started. So the products I'm using are Water Eco Styler Gel, a hairbrush, a toothbrush for my edges, and a hair pick. I'm putting my old twist out up into a high puff and laying down my edges. So first, I've already wet my hair, so now I'm brushing up the edges so I can slick it up. Now I'm using an elastic band to lift up my hair so I can apply gel, slick down my edges, and then repeat the process so my hair can look nice and neat.
You wanna dance?
Separating a few strands and picking up my hair even further so I can have a nice and full look while it's up in a puff. All I do is put an elastic band on, twist it once in the back, glide it up a little bit, and pull it over the front for it to stay tight and secure, as you'll see as the video continues. Now I'm tying a scarf around my edges so they will stay laid down throughout the day. Next, I'm starting on my makeup. All the products I use will be listed in the description box below. As you can see now, I'm starting off by doing my brows using a brow pencil. I normally outline each brow, fill them in, and then clean them up with my concealer.
You wanna dance? Now I'm starting on my eyeshadow. I use concealer as a base for my eyeshadow so the colors come out more pigmented. I'm going for a bright pink look today, so I'll be using my Shany palette I got from Amazon to create this look. So now I'm just cleaning up my eyeshadow using concealer and blending that in with my beauty blender afterwards. The foundation I'm using is by Wet n Wild and it's in the shade Amber Beige. I'll be applying that using the wand at the bottom and blending it in with both my foundation brush and my beauty blender. contouring my face, starting with my highlight using the same concealer I've been using throughout the video. And then I'm going to apply a powder bronzer from my Ulta palette to sculpt my face. Next, I'm going to set my foundation using a loose setting powder by Wet n Wild. Now I'm working on my lashes using mascara to lift them up a bit before applying my false lashes by House of Lashes. And now I'm removing my setting powder, and I'll be going over my cheeks with a blush from my Avon palette. And after that, I'll be adding in a few minor details to complement my look before I highlight. Lastly, I'll be applying first chapstick and then a lip gloss from Jasmine Belle in the shade Mystic to complete my look.
Fuck those games. Let me spell it out for ya. I don't do good at fake. Give me that play by play. Yeah, I don't do good at fake. Give me that play by play. Put it up, don't back down. You can't get me straight. You know I'm not afraid.
Thank you guys for checking out my Get Ready With Me video. Please make sure you like and subscribe, and comment down below if you enjoyed this video, and if you have any suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!